Yes, students, good morning. Before starting today's topic, I want some discuss with you your last lecture. You have learned some points in last lecture. First point, what is the sets? Set is the collection of well-defined objects. Set is the collection of well-defined object. Second point you have learned in last lecture, how to represent of the set. Sets are represented in two forms. First, roster form, and second, set builder form. And third point you have learned in last lecture, rules of immaterial, and second rule, you don't repeat any element in set. The three things you have learned in last lecture. Next, today topic, your types of the sets, like empty sets, finite sets, infinite sets, singleton sets, equal set, and equivalent sets. These are the types of the sets. First point here, empty sets. Other name of the empty set here, null set, void set also. Means empty set, other name, null set and void set also. Definition of the null set, those set not having any element is called the null set. Null set is represented by 5. This is represented by the 5. Otherwise you can represent the in this form. This is the represented by the null set. An example of the null set. Suppose you writing here x colon x is whole number less than 0. Means x colon x is an whole number less than 0. It means no any whole number less than 0. Then you can say if this set is the empty set. Clear? Second point here come finite sets. Finite sets, those sets having the certain number of the elements. Means you can easily count the elements. 10 elements, 12 elements, 15 elements, 100 elements, 200 elements, 500 elements, 1000 elements. Means definite number of the elements. This number of the element is a fixed. This is called the finite sets. Like example of, suppose you are writing a subset. Here you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's here I am writing 80. Means last element you are 80. Means the total element you are 80 elements. Then you can easily count here starting one and last is 80 element. Then means how many numbers of this element is 80 elements. Suppose some element 5 element, some set having the 5, some sets having the 20, some sets having the 50. Means you can easily count the how many element in these sets. This is called the finite sets. And empty set also is called the finite set. Empty set also called the finite set. Second, next point in the infinite sets. Means those sets not having the definite number of the elements is called the infinite set. Same example here. Suppose you write here set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. Now look difference of the both the set. This is the finite set or this is the infinite set. Here, why is the finite set? Because their last element given here. But in this set, last element is not given, then it is called the infinite sets. This is the infinite set or this is the finite set. Both difference here. Here last element here given, here no last element given. This is the infinite, this is the finite. This is a simple difference of the finite and infinite. But mostly set we can convert the set builder form to roster to finite, but all real numbers, suppose you write some real number set in set builder form, but you cannot convert in the roster form. But real numbers sets suppose given in this set builder form and question is convert in the tabular form, but this is not possible in converting the roster form, because the real numbers having the each difference between two elements is infinites members. Suppose you write 0 1 2 dash dash, here -1 -2. अब suppose here this is the real number line, so how many real number is the infinite both the direction, but between this 1 and 2 having the infinite number of the real number between 1 and 2. How many real number between 1 and 2? Infinite number of the, and how many real number between 0 and 2? Infinite. Means every numbers having the infinite number of the real number in between two real numbers having the infinite number of real number. Then in this form never converting the roster form. Tabular set builder form is a you can write easily. For roster form this is not this is not right in the roster form. Set builder form is possible. Next is singleton set. A set which contain only one element. Those set having only one element is called the singleton set. Means suppose having the only one element. Suppose you are having element only one. This is the P. Here 1. Here apne 0. So this is having the singleton set. All are the singleton set. Here only one element. Here only one element. Here only one element. 0 also element account here. Don't write here no 0. 0 is element as a form of the element. 1 is the as a form of the element. P is the as a form of the element. So these are three examples of the singleton set. Yes, note down you next point. Yes, students, next point here, equal sets. Means equal set means those two sets, equal set comparing in two sets. Those two sets having the same number of the elements are called the equal sets. Here two sets A and B are said to be equal if they contain the same element. Like example here, suppose set A here having 2, 4, 6, 7 and set B having here 4, 2, 7, 6. Now look here write 2, 4, 6, 7, here write 4, 2, 7, 6. Means both the set having the same element, 2 here, 2 here, 4 here, 4 here, 6 here, 6 here, 7 here, 7 here. So then in this type set is called the equal sets. Those having the same elements. Next point. This is the example of the equal sets. Next are equivalent sets. This set A and B means equivalent set also comparing in the two sets, not single set. Means those two sets having the same not same element. Number of the element are same. Not same and number of them means both the set having the cardinal number of the same. Look here, suppose I am writing here C set also here. I am writing here A, B, C and D. Now look here. Here A and B are here equal set, but B, A and C, B cardinal number of the A means number of the cardinal number means number of the element in this set. Here number of the element in set 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, or 1, 2, 3, 4 element also in this set. That means set A and set C are equivalent sets because the cardinal number of A equal cardinal number of the C. Cardinal number means number of the element in the sets. Total number of the element here 4. Total number of element here 4. Element is same is not, but cardinal number will be same of the element. This is called the equivalent set. Equal and equivalent both are different because equal is having the same element, but equivalent having the cardinal number only same. Element are same or not, this is not matter. but this is called the equal set also and equivalent also, because here each equal set having the equivalent. Each equal set is equivalent also, but equivalent set is, it is not necessary to equal set. It is not necessary to every equivalent set will be equal set. Every equal set is necessary to equivalent, but not opposite of this. It means this A and B are your equal set, and A and C equivalent set, and B equal and C, and B and C also equivalent set. But these are the example of the equivalent sets. These are the example of the equal sets. And next point here, same here, cardinal numbers are already explained, means number of the elements in a set is called the cardinal number. You count the number of the element in a set, then this is your cardinal number. A cardinal number represented by n, this n numbers. How many here? N number. This is represented the cardinal number. Or equivalent set represented by this symbol. This is represented by this symbol. This. Yes, note down. Then start the exercise. Yes, students, I am taking the question number first from NCERT book. What is the example of null set? First question here, give the example of the null set here. First question here, set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Or you know, natural number and even natural number or natural number. The even natural number, those number which divisible by the 2 is called the even numbers, or those natural number which not divisible by the 2 are called the odd numbers. But here question given, a set of all natural number divisible by 2. So know any odd natural number which is divisible by 2. So then this is the example of the null set. It means the first is the example of the null set, because this is the 5, and means you write your null set. Means first part here example of the null set, because all natural number 1, 3, 5, 7 dash. No any number here which is divisible by the 2. Means it is an example of the null set. Second part, set of the prime number. You know what is the prime number. Prime number means those number which having only 2 factors are called the prime numbers. Otherwise, you can say that those number which divisible by itself is called the prime number. It means prime number is starting, suppose 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. These are the number are called the prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number and even prime number. Rest 3, 5, 7, 11 means prime number means those number divisible by the itself are called the prime. So means here set of the even prime number is possible. Yes, this is the even prime number. 2 is the prime, 2 is the even also. That means smallest prime number is 2, even prime number is 2. This is not example of the null set. This is not example of the null set. This second is not example. Third part, y colon y is the point common to any two parallel lines. You know, by definition of the parallel lines means this is the parallel lines. This is the parallel lines. By definition of the parallel lines, those are the lines do not meet any points are called the parallel lines. Second way means those lines having the equal distance in each point is called the parallel lines. Means between distance is the equal each and every point. So these are called the parallel lines. So parallel lines are never meet any points. Parallel lines, those lines are not meet any points. So how to possible is the common point? How is possible the common point? it is not possible when lines are not intersect, when lines are not meet, then it is not possible to common point. But this is the example of empty set. Means here no any parallel lines. Those are meeting any common point. Means when a line are intersect, this is the common point. This is the common point where lines are intersect. When lines are meeting, these are called the common point. But these lines are never meet, so this is not possible a common point in these two parallel lines. So because here third part is the example of the null set. This is the example also in null set third. And the first part and third part is the example of the null set. This is not the null set because 2 is possible even prime number. Yes, note down and then next question. Yes class, next question I am taking the question number second. Question number second here, which are the finite or infinite set? Which set finite or which set infinite? You select here. Question number first, the set of the month of the year. You know how many months in the year? 12 months. 12 is the finite set because 12 is the certain number, fixed number, definite number. This is the finite number. This first is finite set. First set is the finite set because set of the month of the year. A month of the year is fixed, 12 months. The 12 month is finite. Second part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now look here. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. Means you look here. Last element is not given here. Last element is not given here means 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash. Last how many elements here? This is not how many elements here. You cannot easily count here means dash dash dash. Last element is not given means total number of elements you cannot count here. So this in this type set is called the infinite set. Infinite set. Third, 1, 2, 3 dash dash 99 and 100. Last element given here 100 means total elements 100. Then you can say here if this set is the finite set. This is the finite set. And last is 4. This set of prime number less than 99. You know here last limit given less than 99. More than 99 then this is the infinite. But less than is then you can say this is the finite. Finite set. So this is the finite set also because here limit given less than 99 means below the 99 between 1 to 99. You can easily count how many prime numbers of between 1 to 99. So then these are the finite, infinite, finite and finite. So this is question number second. Note down. Then next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 5th. It's a different type questions here. Are the following pairs of the sets equal or not? And reason here. Suppose it's not equal, to why not equal? Yes, first part here, set A here element 2, 3 and set B right here the set builder form. And second part also here, both part here right in set builder form. Now start the solution here first. This is the first part. Set A here already given 2 and 3. But set B I am taking in this part one first. First factorize is a solution of this. What is the solution of this now? X square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Now check this solution. X square plus 5x. This is the 56 5x. And 3 to just make doing the factor of the 6. 3 to just 6 and 3 plus 2 equal to 5. I'm making this way 3 plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Then first 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Taking common here x plus 3, taking common here 2, x plus 3 equal to 0, means x plus 3 and x plus 2. Now the value of the x equal minus 2 and minus 3. 2 value came here. That means set B. What is the element of the set B here? Element of the set B minus 2 and minus 3. Set A element and set B element. Look here. First of all, set A I am writing the same here. Set B is x, column x such that x is the solution of this. First I am finding the solution of this particular question with help of the splitting middle term. Splitting middle term, factorize of the 6, then 3 to the 6, 3 by, and getting the value of x here minus 2 and minus 3. Here element 2 and 3, here element minus 2 and 3. So then you can say here set A, element of the set A, element of the set A, element of the set B is not equal. Means therefore set A and element of set A and set B are different. So set A and B are not equal. Means set A and set B, set A element of set A and set B are not, element of set A and set B are different, are not equal means different, are different. So set A and B are not equal. Then reason here the element of the A set, element of the B set are different, then both are not equal. Now start the second part here. Second part, x colon x is the letter of the follow. Make a set of this follow F, O, L and W. This is set of the word of the follow, and make the again is V set here W, O, L and F. Now look here, F element here, O element here, O element here, L element here, L here, W here, W here. Means according to first rule, is element of the set is the immaterial, means immaterial form. This is not required the sequence. The set element of the set A, element of the set B are same, then you can say here this is the equal set. So now set A and set B are equal sets. Both are equal sets because both having the same elements. Element of the set A, same element of the set B, and element of the set B is the same of the element of the set A. So both having the same element, so this is the equal set. Our first part having different, here plus 2, here minus 2, here plus 3, here minus 3, it means different elements. So here no equal set, here equal set. Yes, note down the next question. Yes, then the third part of the question number 5th here. Set C here given x such that x minus 5 equal 0 and D set here given. They are equal or not? Now check this. The set C already done. I am taking this x from set C. The x minus 5 equal 0 means x equal 5. The set C means 5. Element of the from set C we get here 5, and element here from set D here. So now here set D x square equal 25 means x equal plus minus 5. You will write in this form. Don't write here plus 5. Here x square equal 25, that means x equal to plus minus 5. That means value of the x equal here minus 5 and plus 5. That means element of the set D minus 5 and plus 5. It means element of set 5 only plus 5 and element of the set D minus 5 and plus 5. That means both the sets are not equal set. The set C and set D are not equal set. They are not equal set because here two elements and plus minus are here only positive. So then both are not equal sets. Just note down.